This is a brand new 2013 Audi S4. This car has a manual transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a locking rear differential, a sport-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a toolkit, front side impact airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.